it's Irvanda here, and for this video I'm gonna be trying the Clairol Root Touch Up because I have gray hair and I've been dealing with that problem since I was 14-16 years old. And I remember the very first time that I dyed my hair to cover the gray hair that I had at that moment. It was when I was 16 years old. I was in high school. I've been dealing with that problem for so many years, and just, you guys, nothing worked for me. If I dye my hair, it will go out within 2 or 3 weeks and all the gray hair will be coming up again. But honestly, up until I was 27 years old, I've been avoiding permanent hair dye because I felt that it was going to be too strong on my hair. And when I finally decided to give it a try, I got pregnant. So I was avoiding every type of chemical getting near to me. I really have high expectations on this product because I hear so many good reviews about it. And if it works, I'm gonna let you know. And if it doesn't work, I'm also gonna let you know so you don't spend your money on a product like this. Now, I'm gonna record the process in the bathroom, and I apologize for the echo that you guys are about to hear. Let's go. Okay, so here I already changed my t-shirt because I didn't want it to damage the one that I had. I'm gonna use that coconut oil to cover my skin, and I have all the materials set up. I have a comb, a towel, some gloves. I can't use the ones that come in the box because they are too big for my hand. My hands are teeny tiny. The kit brings the hair dye and also the activator, but both of the containers only bring half an ounce of product, which is a little bit disappointed, but we have to take in consideration that it was only for the roots. It comes with a brush with a perfect angle to get to your roots. It brings also a plastic ball to mix the product, and I'm gonna start brushing my hair from the ends to the top to prevent any type of damage. Okay, so we are gonna start mixing the product, and on the box it says that we should start seeing results in about 10 minutes. The color that I'm using is the dark brown that matches all the browns, it says. Here I'm using the coconut oil on my skin just to be on the safe side. Okay, while I wait for the 10 minutes to pass, I'm gonna start cleaning my face and also cleaning the bathroom. Okay guys, I just washed my hair and I took all the product out of it. On instructions it says that I should only be using conditioner to rinse my hair, but I didn't feel safe doing just that because I still sleep with my baby. And I didn't want it to have any type of chemicals on my hair that could harm him. So I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry a little bit so I can use the blow dryer, and then I still don't know if I'm gonna use the hair strainer, but if I decide to, you'll see it. No. Okay, I really had high expectations, and I think I'm gonna leave an image here. But you guys, I still see my gray hair. It's not great anymore. Actually, it's not great anymore. It's a little bit of a yellow type of color. It looks like highlights. Actually, I'm not even gonna bother in blow drying my hair because the result is gonna be the same. I don't know if it's because I use the shampoo and on the instructions it says that I should only use conditioner, but I don't know. I'm gonna investigate. I'm gonna ask. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'm sorry that this hair dye fell on me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and please let me know in the comments what other videos would you like to see in the future. I'll see you the next time. Bye.